I like Boston because it's dry. Do you shave your feet?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yes.
I thought so.
Wow.
You're fairly a hairy man, and to not have any hair on your feet would be miraculous.
Well,
I'm a sailor, hey, and I lost my leg. Climbing up the top sails, I lost.
Toy Sean, professional manscaper. There's my gin and my blanket and my pizza.
Lisa, are you okay?
I got my blanket.
Everybody good? We are so classy.
Lights are so bright. Someone's angry. You move a little to your left. Yeah, perfect.
And why is William hovering over you, Katie?
The only light that's on in the whole fucking building is the one right over my head. Ew. Shot.
sorry, Katie.
Alright. I'll try to sleep on my side.
Ooh. Where's Swatty? There she is.
I'll hit you.
Swatty, wake up. Good morning. Good morning.
Ow!
Wave hi.
What is your problem?
Why don't you show everybody at home your butt crack? It's like flashing everybody right now.
Yeah? No, they've seen it enough. It's been in pictures.